Lescala is originally a fishing village. In recent years, it has become one of the most popular tourist destinations on Costa Brava. The town is from Girona airport just 50 kilometers and from Barcelona 150 kilometers. Lescala is a large town of Costa Brava. It is good as a base city. It has many hotels and apartments, but it is difficult to find a suitable place in high season. The average price of this type of hotel is 150 euros per night. The hotel is very clean and just 400 meters from the beach. The towns of Costa Brava stays awake at night during the holidays. The city has a large seaport, which makes access to the sea very easy. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel. We are going to share with you many charming places of Costa Brava.